Friends, deep within the ocean lives a creature that has no brain, no heart, no bones, and no blood. Yet, despite lacking these vital organs, it has ruled the oceans for hundreds of millions of years. Yes, we are talking about the jellyfish. This beautiful and delicate-looking creature is actually a masterpiece of nature that existed on Earth long before the dinosaurs. Today we will journey into the mysterious world of the jellyfish. We will discover what they eat, if they actually sleep, how they hunt without eyes, and which dangerous predators dare to eat them. And perhaps most shockingly, is it true that some jellyfish never die? So, let's dive deep into the ocean with DeepSeeWorld. What is a jellyfish? First, it is important to understand that a jellyfish isn't actually a fish at all. It is an invertebrate, meaning it has no backbone. Its body is composed of 95 to 98% water. If you were to place a jellyfish on dry land under the sun, it would almost disappear, evaporating just like a puddle of water. They drift along with ocean currents, but they also have the ability to contract and relax their bodies to propel themselves through the water. Nature has designed them so simply that they don't even have lungs or gills to breathe. Instead, they absorb oxygen directly through their thin skin. Diet and hunting. Now, let's address a key question. What does this delicate creature eat, and how does it hunt without a brain or eyes? Jellyfish are strictly carnivorous, meat eaters. Their diet includes small fish, fish eggs, plankton, tiny marine organisms, shrimp, and surprisingly, they even eat other jellyfish. How do they hunt? Unlike a shark or a lion, a jellyfish doesn't chase its prey. It uses an ambush strategy. They possess long, trailing arms called tentacles. These tentacles are covered in thousands of microscopic stinging cells called nematocysts. The moment a fish or creature brushes against these tentacles, tiny needle-like barbs fire into the victim's body in a fraction of a second, injecting a potent venom. This venom instantly paralyzes the prey. The jellyfish then uses its tentacles to bring the food up to its mouth, which is located underneath its bell-shaped body. Do jellyfish sleep? This is a question that puzzled scientists for years. Since jellyfish lack a brain, they cannot dream or enter deep sleep like humans do. However, a recent study by the California Institute of Technology proved that jellyfish do sleep, though differently than we do. At night, they enter a sleep state. During this time, their pulsing movement slows down significantly. Their bodies relax, and if poked or disturbed, they take much longer to react than they would during the day. Scientists believe this is their way of resting and recharging energy. It proves that even without a brain, sleep is a fundamental need for nature's creatures. What eats a jellyfish? Predators. You might be wondering who would want to eat such a venomous creature. Although a jellyfish is mostly water and offers very little nutrition, they have many enemies in the ocean. Their biggest enemy is the sea turtle, specifically the leatherback turtle. Jellyfish make up the majority of this turtle's diet. Nature has designed the turtle's throat with tough spines that protect it from the jellyfish's sting. Other predators include the ocean sunfish. This giant fish loves to snack on jellyfish. Larger fish like tuna and sharks will occasionally eat them, and humans. In countries like China and Japan, jellyfish are even harvested and eaten by people as a delicacy. How deep can they go? Jellyfish are found in every part of the ocean, from the sparkling surface down to the pitch-black depths. The surface, some like the Portuguese manafor, float right on top of the water. The twilight zone, many species live between 200 and 1,000 meters deep. In the deep sea, many jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they produce their own glowing light to attract prey in the eternal darkness. Conclusion and the immortal jellyfish. To end this video, let me tell you a fact that sounds like science fiction. There is a specific species called Turritopsis tahorni, known commonly as the immortal jellyfish. So friends, that was the amazing world of the jellyfish, a living miracle existing without a heart, brain, or blood. If you enjoyed our research, please subscribe to DeepSeeWorld and let us know in the comments which sea creature we should cover in the next video.